Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get stretch resolution in Fortnite after the patch. It's actually a really simple technique that you can do, and it perfectly stretches out your game. It might not give you the same FOV feel, but what I'm going to do is next video that I make, I'm going to show you how to get an actual FOV slider in the game. That's completely different from the method that I'm doing today. Now to get this started off, what you want to do is you want to right click on your desktop and go down to where it says NVIDIA control panel, or if you have AMD it would say AMD control panel, but for the sake of this video we're going to do NVIDIA. So we're going to click on NVIDIA. Now after you've done that, if you're going to see something on my screen, it may be up here or somewhere else like that, but basically you want to go down to where it says adjust desktop size and position, and you want to make sure your resolution is set to 1920 by 1080, your base resolution, otherwise this method will not work. So basically what you want to do, you want to go down here, make sure this box is checked where it says enable desktop resizing. Then what you do, you click resize. It'll bring up this screen right here. It may stress something out real quick, but then this is going to come up with the little green arrows on the side. What you want to do, you want to go ahead and take this one where it says height at the bottom, you want to pull this all the way down until it goes here. And now this is going to stretch out your desktop as well, so you're still going to get stretch resolution in the game, but it's also going to be just on your desktop as well. So once you do that, you're done here. You want to go ahead, you want to click OK. Now once we get finished here, we're going to go up to where it says change resolution. You're going to click on this and you're going to go down to create a custom resolution, just like you would when you previously would be making stretch resolution. Now I already have all of these resolutions installed that I can use, and you see I already have the resolution that we're going to use, but for the sake of this video I'm going to hit the X and I'm going to delete this resolution just to show you that it works. And I'm going to go down to custom resolution, and now in this box the resolution we're going to be using is 1650 by 1080. And then you're going to go down here to where it says test. It's going to bring up, and you're going to notice in the background your desktop background is going to be stretched as well, just like it would previously. After you do this, it says test successful, custom resolution 1650 by 1080. You're going to hit yes. Then it's going to go back to its original state. As you can see, it's completely different. This is native, and this is the res we're going to use. So after you were done here, so you're going to press OK. I'm going to scroll up, and these are all the custom resolutions that I have. So you want to click here on the resolution that we made, 1650 by 1080. You don't have to mess with any of the game files. There is one thing I forgot to mention when I was saying that. Some of you may have to go into the game files or the game user settings to be able to actually put in the stretch resolution. So any way to do that, you go down here to the type and search, and you type in %app data %, and you're going to see this folder here. You click this, then it's going to come up, and you want to go back to app data. You want to click on local. You want to go down to where it says Fortnite game. You want to click saved. You want to go to config, then you want to go to Windows client. Then it's going to bring this up. This is just some things I was messing with for a little bit, but then you're going to come up to game user settings, and you're going to right click on this, go down to properties, make sure this is unchecked where it says read only. Make sure this is unchecked. Then click OK. You're going to go into the file, and it should open this. Then you're going to scroll down to where it says resolution size X and resolution size Y, and then below that it says last user confirmed resolution. You're going to sit here, and this is going to be 1920 by 1080 or whatever res you had installed previously, and you're going to just reselect this and click 1650 at the resolution size X, and then you go down to Y, and then you're going to put 1080, and then you're going to do the same for last user confirmed resolution size 1650 by 1080, and that's all you need to do for that. Then you want to go up to file, you want to click save, then you can close this out, and then you want to right click on game user settings, go down to properties, and now check read only, and then press apply, and then press OK, and now you guys should be good to go. You go ahead, you press apply. Now it's going to stretch out your screen. You press yes, Then we're done with this. You click that, and now we're going to go into Fortnite to test to see if it works. And now, as you can see in the loading screen, the game is loading up and it looks like a stretch resolution. And it's going to be in the little odds and ends of this box right here. It's going to be in the box itself, and it's going to load up and it's going to be stretched like this. One problem that you may face is that the game isn't going to be in full screen. What you want to do is you just want to press F11, and that's going to bring it into full screen, and it's going to stay stretched the exact same way. I just wanted to bring that out. And now once you're in the game, it's going to look like this. And that's my name if you want to follow me, but this is how it's going to look as the stretch resolution. You want to come down here, and we're going to go into creative just to show you that this really does work. Going to hit load. We're going to start our own server, and as you can see, it is stretched. The game may be a little bit laggy because I am in fact recording, but as you can see, it's a completely stretched resolution, and for some reason the creative servers are messed up anyway. But if I box up right here, you can see it's stretched, and I'm actually going to put a side-to-side view of native and then of the stretch resolution. As you saw from that image, it is in fact more stretched than the native resolution. If this tutorial did help you at all, please consider dropping a like and possibly subbing on this video. As I said, I'm going to be bringing an FOV changer in my next video whenever I upload that. If you guys would like to see that, then please consider subscribing. Alright, peace.